Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I will be unboxing some Nike Blazer mid 77s and showing you different ways I have styled them. Let's get right into it. Now these are the standard box that majority of these Nike Blazer mid 77 comes in. Just to disclose that I already have worn these sneakers, so you may see some wear and tear on them. Just disregard that. But unboxing them, I absolutely love this hot pink on it. I also like the fact that it has like some yellow or golden trim on it. I just love it, y'all. Like, I love Nike Blazer mid 77s. I love the style of them. I love that you can dress them up and dress them down. Now these are a kid size 5, so if you're in kid sizes up to a size 7, these are $85, so definitely affordable. Less than $100 for a pair of sneakers. You cannot beat that. And to dress them with anything in your closet, absolutely love it. I got these Nike Blazers in so many different colors. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if y'all would like to see a Nike Blazer mid 77 collection haul, because I don't mind showing y'all. But these sneakers do come laced so freaking tight. I did have to relace them. Other than that, overall these sneakers are a must-have. I still love them, and they come in so many different colors, and they are affordable, and you can always get them. Now let's get into these different ways I have styled these Nike Blazer mid 77s. Starting off with this stripe ruffle hem dress, which I absolutely love. I actually shared this dress on one of the other videos I posted over here. I will leave the link to it down below in the description box. I've actually wrote a blog post reviewing this dress as well, giving you all the details and all the tea on this dress. I will leave that link to that blog post down below in the description box as well. But I absolutely love this dress, you guys. Now I feel like dresses is going to be the theme for the summer. It always has and probably always will be. But styling it with these Nike Blazer mid 77 just brings a little bit of oomph to it. You get what I'm saying? So this dress actually screams coffee date with the girls, or brunch with the girls, a day at the park, a picnic. It screams all of those fancy things, but you want to be comfortable. So that's why I really love this dress, because usually I'm not like a dress type of person, but once I got this dress and I put it on, and I felt like I was a little girly in it. I'm not even gonna lie, I felt a little girly in it, but styling it with my sneakers made it more of my style, and I hope you guys like this outfit idea. The next way I styled these Nike Blazer mid 77 is just with some denim shorts and a bodysuit. Now I feel like this is more of like a basic way to style these shoes, but I absolutely love this outfit. I feel like this particular outfit you can probably wear to like a concert event, any type of gathering where you're outside and you want to be comfortable while also looking stylish. I feel like this outfit is actually perfect. Now this particular bodysuit, I styled it with a light pink bodysuit that I got from Shein. Now I was told that this is the dupe for Skims. I'm not exactly sure, so don't hold me to that, because I do not own any Skims products. However, the bodysuit is buttery soft. It feels good on your skin. It's double layered, ladies. Like, absolutely love it. Now I'm one of those people, I don't snap the bodysuit between my legs. I just tuck and go, and I love how this outfit actually came out. Now these denim shorts, I did thrift. A lot of times I more so thrift my bottoms than I do my tops, but these denim shorts are the brand Wild Fable. You can get them at your local Target. Love Wild Fable jeans and their shorts, and yeah, I like how this outfit pretty much came together. The next way I styled these Nike Blazers mid 77 is just a simple outfit formula, and that's my white tee or white crop top and some denim jeans. Now this particular look is just a plain Jane old look when you want your accessories to be your statement piece, and that's exactly what I did here. Now I styled it with a hot pink crossbody bag that brings out the hot pink in the sneakers. I am wearing braids in this video. However, if I would have had a sew-in or something like that, I probably would have put on my hot pink hats. I have 2 different hats that I could possibly wear with this outfit. I have a baseball cap that probably would look good for more so like a casual day if I'm going to the park, or if I'm going to like a game or something like that where I want to dress it down. But if I'm going to somewhere like a sneaker event or any type of event where it's like a lot of people are probably going to be there, I probably will wear my fluffy hat, because that fluffy hat brings so much attention. I get so many compliments on that fluffy hat, and I feel like bringing that fluffy hat or wearing that fluffy hat it actually brings attention to your outfit and it makes the outfit pop. The next outfit idea I have styled with this Nike Blazer Mid 77 is a little bit out of my comfort zone, and that's with some swimming trunks and a graphic tee. Now, I know y'all probably like swimming trunks. Yes, ladies, these are some light pink swimming trunks that I got from Walmart. I think I did a video on that as well of styling these swimming trunks. All I did was cut the net inside out of it and just turned them into regular shorts. Now, what I love most about these shorts was the price. I'm just gonna be honest, the price. I only paid $7.98 for these swimming trunks. I got them in so many different colors: red, green, purple, orange, like so many different colors. They are super comfortable. They have pockets. Absolutely love that. And like I said before, they are swimming trunks. So I feel like this type of look would be perfect for a water type event. So if you're going to the water park, let's say Six Flags or White Waters if you're in Georgia, if you're going to the beach and maybe you don't want your whole bottom out, maybe you could put on these shorts along with your bathing suit top and be stylish still. But I actually styled these Nike Blazer Mid 77 with these shorts and a graphic crop top that I actually got from Ross. Love how this outfit pretty much came together. Like I said before, this one is pretty much out of my comfort zone with this outfit idea, but I wanted to try something new and try something different, and it still looks good. And I'm just at that age where I don't really want my bottom out, so these shorts are the perfect length, although they are swimming trunks. But I love how this outfit came together, and I hope you guys like this outfit as well. So that is it for this unboxing of the Nike Blazer Mid 77s and all of the ways I styled them. I hope you enjoyed this video. All of the links to everything that I have mentioned will be down in the description box below. If I cannot find the exact item, I will leave similar links, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.